Understanding on guard position in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a commonly used phrase, on guard position. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video will shed light on how this phrase is used in different contexts. Let's get started. The phrase, on guard position, originates from the context of fencing and combat sports, where it refers to a defensive stance a person takes to protect themselves while being ready to attack or respond. However, its usage has transcended the physical realm. In everyday English, being on guard means being alert, cautious, or prepared for any potential surprises or dangers. It's about being ready to face challenges or respond to any situation that comes your way. 1. Personal safety. When walking home late at night, it's wise to be in an on-guard position, meaning you should be aware of your surroundings and ready to react if necessary. 2. Debates and arguments. Before entering a debate, you might mentally prepare yourself to be on guard, ready to defend your points and challenge opposing views. 3. Workplace readiness. In a fast-paced work environment, being on guard can mean staying prepared for sudden deadlines or unexpected tasks from your boss. Let's practice incorporating on guard position into some sentences. Given the recent uptick in cyber attacks, our IT department is always in an on-guard position. When navigating through unfamiliar neighborhoods, it's best to maintain an on-guard position. During negotiations, she was always in an on-guard position, ready to counter any unfair terms. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, on guard position. We hope this video has not only broadened your understanding but also equipped you with a new way to express readiness and caution in English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and each new phrase is a step towards fluency. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful videos. Keep practicing, and see you next time.